Hello guys, today we're seeing how fast this truck can go. Well, this one's going to be a crazy one. That's the gate we're going. There you go. I'll be back in a second. This is how fast it can go. Back over here. Let's do max speed. Okay, so now we're not gonna do that anymore. Now we're just gonna do the Lego. So what do you think I should make? I think I should probably make basically Lego basket. Let's get going. Let's get working. So yeah, gonna leave. I don't have it. I need to think of something else. Oh, Lego marble one. Yeah. I should really do. By the way, SpongeBob talking. I was basically watching the SpongeBob. See, I was watching. Just to tell you how old I am, I'm 7. This is what it looks like so far. So yeah, let me just finish it. I'll be back in a sec. I need to grab some more pieces. Here we go. Sorry. We've done it. We might need a bit more in a minute. It'll do for now. But we can get it a go, 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 go. Let's get it in action. What just happened? That just made me think my house is up. Hold on. Mummy, this just went flying into the box when I did not do that. It did. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Right, right, now, mate. I'm back. Show you the thing with no. It's no. I'm back. What do you think I should do for a Lego build?
I thought you played.
Oh, well, we'll continue back with Lego and then because. Wait, hold on. Well, this is basically the track so far. Sorry, you fell down from the ball. This is basically the box I'm filming you. Well, I'll put you back on. Whoa! Well, I'm flying, but you know what that means. Oh, no. Oh my God! Simple, all we have to do is go to the very top. Okay. Oh, sorry. And this team won. By the way, we're gonna have to end it now. So good.